वेलकम बैक टू माई यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू मेक मनी ब्लॉगिंग, योर फ्री गाइड फॉर 2024। ब्लॉगिंग के ज़रिए आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं हम देखेंगे आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो को। द ब्लॉगिंग हैज़ बिकम सीरियसली saturated in 2023, there are still ways to turn it into a lucrative revenue stream. Blogging is a small business idea with the potential to make thousands of dollars per month, whether by driving product sales for your own brand, earning commission from affiliate program, or creating a space for digital and sale. This guide shares how you can make money blogging with 11 revenue streams used by professional bloggers who earn a full-time income through their websites. How much money can bloggers earn? How to make money blogging, 11 ideas. How long does it take to make money blogging? Turn your blog into a money maker. How much money can bloggers earn? The potential for blogging is virtually unlimited. Well-established bloggers like Ryan Robinson, who runs a blog about blogging, can make upward of $30,000 per month. Adam Anfroy, who started blogging about the business of blogging in 2019 as a side hustle, generated $1.5 million from his blog just 2 years later. It's not just a monthly revenue that bloggers can cash in on marketplaces like Philippa's list blogs for sale, many of which come with hefty six-figure price tags. Bloggers cash in when their creativity project is acquired. Unfortunately, not every blogger can make millions through their website. The income potential of your blog depends on two factors: your niche. Do people spend large sums of money on products? Your industry. The software industry, for example, can be lucrative since many companies pay recurring commission. Bloggers can earn small amounts each month long after the customer made the purchase. Your monetization strategies. Some blog monetization methods are off the table for new bloggers who want to stick to their core values, like not being paid to post content you don't agree with. This can impact earning potential in the short term. How to make money blogging, 11 ideas. Looking for a creative side hustle to generate extra income. Whether you are starting a new blog or growing an existing one, here are 11 ways to make money blogging. Choose a profitable niche. A niche is a specific topic within a broad topic, such as vegan recipes. By choosing one for your blog, readers build an association with your site. They know exactly what they will get when visiting, improving your chances of being their first port of call when looking for advice. Before monetization, it's all about quality and expertise. If you want to stand out, says Mushfiq, founder of the website Flip, first figure out what your niche is and why you should be writing about that, and make a persona for yourself to be who you are in that topic. Once that happens, you will build a following. Over time, monetization follows later. You will find bloggers making money in a wide variety of niches, from business software to pet accessories. Though not all niches are good ones, profitable blog niche meets three criteria. It's something you are skilled at and are interested in. There is low competition. There is a clear monetization potential. Build an email list to make money from your blog. You need loyal readers who value your recommendations. One of the best ways to do this is by building an email list for your own blog. When someone opts in to hear from your blog, you are given permission to reach readers in one place, more scarce than all others. देयर इनबॉक्स। तो ब्लॉगिंग के ज़रिए कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं, ये हमने देखा आज की वीडियो के अंदर। वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करें। मिलता है नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। टेक केयर।